The Allianz Blue Eagle initiative helps you identify and fix some simple home maintenance issues in your house, creating a safer home for you and your family. Today, I'm popping by some Aussie homes to see how they're going. Now, Wip, I'm here today to talk about home maintenance, and in particular, flexi hoses.
Flexi hoses, okay, yep.
You don't know what flexi hoses are, do you?
No, I don't.
Well, they're a very important hose. It's under your sink, connecting your tap, and they've got to be checked, mate.
Okay.
Come on, let's go.
All right, let's have a look, Scotty.
Now, Whip, can you see any damage, rust or fraying there?
Oh, it's brand new.
Okay, let's try this again, mate. Can you see any just there? That one.
Oh, that one. Yeah, of course.
Yeah, okay. I recommend you get that changed ASAP by a registered plumber. And don't forget, you've got those flexi hoses in the laundry and in your bathrooms as well, so you've got to check them.
Yep.
This little bloke here could turn your kitchen into a swimming pool.
Oh, the kids would love it.
I know, but Lisa and you wouldn't.
I love it when you come over, Scotty.
My pleasure, mate.
Thanks, mate.
Anytime. Allianz understands that a burst flexi hose can cause more than just damage to your home. It can disrupt your life.
Ah, Allianz.